Good day, sir. This is our reaction video. I'm Jeremias Leptale.
And I'm Jomar Montais, and this is our about the three documentary film, which is Karapatan sa Karagatan and Pamanang Karagatan and Panindigan sa Karagatan. So first, what is the historical basis for the Philippines claim the West Philippine Sea, and how does it align with international law? So the historical basis for the Philippines claim in the West Philippine Sea is rooted in its geographical proximity to the disputed features, as well as its historical occupation or certain islands, reefs, and shoals. These claims align Convention on the Law of the Sea, which grants to coastal states sovereign rights over their exclusive economic zones, and continental shelves. The Philippines asserts its rights in the region based on UNCLOS, despite challenges from the other climate states. So second, how have diplomatic efforts, including arbitration cases, shaped the Philippines' stance on its theoretical claims in the West Philippine Sea? So diplomatic efforts, including arbitration cases, have played a significant role in shaping the Philippines' stance on its theoretical claims in the West Philippine Sea. The Philippines pursued arbitration under UNCLOS to resolve disputes with China, resulting in the landmark ruling by the Permanent Court of Arbitration in 2016. This ruling invalidated China's expensive claims in the South China Sea, including the West Philippine Sea, and affirmed the Philippines' rights under international law. So third, what evidence exists regarding the alleged secret deal between Rodrigo Duterte's administration and China, and how does it impact the Philippine sovereignty in the region? So evidence regarding the alleged secret deal between Rodrigo Duterte's administration and China's remains a subject of debate and speculation, while some critics argue that the administration may have made concession to China in exchange for economic benefits or political support. That full extent the application of any such deal are unclear. However, concerns about sovereignty and national interest persist, particularly regarding potential compromises on maritime rights in the West Philippine Sea. So for the number 4,
So fourth, how have regional tensions, including military activities and resources exploitation, influenced the Philippines' approach to asserting its claim in the West Philippine Sea? So regional tensions, including military activities and resources exploitation, have influenced the Philippines' approach to asserting its claims in the West Philippine Sea, heightened the militarization by China and other claimant states, as well as incidents of harassment against Filipino fishermen and interference with resource exploration activities, have raised concern about maritime security and territorial integrity. These tensions have prompted the Philippines to strengthen its defense capabilities and seek support from allies and partnership in the region. Fifth is what are the implications of the Philippines' engagement with other nations, such as United States and ASEAN, in addressing disputes and ensuring maritime security in the West Philippine Sea? The Philippines' engagement with other nations, such as United States and ASEAN, plays a crucial role in addressing disputes and ensuring maritime security in the West Philippine Sea. Through alliances, partnerships seeks to uphold international law, promote peaceful resolution of disputes, and safeguard freedom of navigation and overflight in the region. Cooperation with the like-minded countries and regional organizations is essential for maintaining stability and promoting rules based on the West Philippine Sea. 6. How do you think this documentary affect the maritime industry? How do you think this also affect you as a future seafarer? So, this documentary sheds light on the complex issues surrounding maritime disputes in the West Philippine Sea and the implication for maritime industry. As a future seafarer, it highlights the importance of understanding geopolitical dynamics, upholding international law, and advocating for maritime security and safety.
so that's all, sir, for the reaction video about the three documentary film.